welcome back to my channel. It's Gigi. Starting out, all I'm doing is just applying a little bit of Bite Beauty, the agave lip mask, and a little bit of the Believe eye cream because my eyes have been so dry lately. Then all I'm doing is spraying a little bit of the Badescu rosewater spray. I love it. Also the Glamglow Mega I think it's called the Mega Illuminating Moisturizer. This one is one of my favorites, especially since my skin is so dry. For the eyeshadow primer, I'm just using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer. It's so affordable and it's become one of my favorite ones to use. When I am using concealer as an eyeshadow primer, I try not to set it. I'll show you guys in a different video why I try not to set it with powder, but today I am using Pretty Vulgar to set that concealer. Since the main focus of this eye look is the Kylie inspired, pop of color in the inner eye, I wanted to keep the crease as neutral as possible. So I went in with the Dose of Colors, the two brown shades that I showed you guys. The colors are Churro and Necessary from the FRIENDCATION palette. Mixing the two brown colors together using windshield wiping motions to blend, and just make sure that you blend until your hand cannot blend anymore. I love blending. For mascara, lash glue, and lashes, I am using Wonder Beauty mascara. And the lash glue is Tarte, and the lashes, I'm not sure, I think they're Teddy by Kiss lashes. I still haven't mastered the lash application, so usually this happens to me all the time. So for one of my favorite parts, foundation, I am using the Fenty Beauty foundation with 1 drop of the Drunk Elephant facial oil. I like to apply the foundation like this first with a brush and then going in with the beauty sponge to blend it. I don't know why, I just like it like this better. And again, just blending everything until your hand falls out, literally. For my concealer, again, I'm using the Wet n Wild concealer. I cannot believe this concealer is actually only $3.99. $3.99. It's so good. I really want to try the Wet n Wild concealer. What the fuck am I saying? The foundation. Oh, I can't even talk today. I'm sorry, guys. I haven't even had coffee, so yeah, I really want to try the foundation. Let me know if you guys want a video of just using Wet n Wild products. That would be good. A full face using Wet n Wild. And I'm also proud to say that I recorded this whole video on my iPhone front camera. And the quality is so good. So back to the voiceover. I'm setting my whole face with the Pretty Vulgar translucent powder, and for bronzer I'm using the Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula. Oh, it smells like coconut. It smells like a tropical vacation. It smells like I should be going to the Bahamas next week on a cruise or something, or to Cuba. So So after the bronzer, I usually like to go in again with the sponge to blend everything, and with my brush just taking out all the excess powder if I had any from the translucent powder. And for my brows, I don't really like to do a lot to them. I usually like a natural brow, and what I'm using is just a tinted brow gel. And this is where things went south with the iPhone filming. I thought it was recording while I was doing my eyeshadow, the final touches to the eyeshadow, and it was not recording. Oh yeah. I did go in a couple of times to intensify the yellow color. I was using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism palette. The shade, I don't know how to pronounce it. I think it's called Spare. I'm not sure. So for my lower lashes, all I did was literally use the same colors, the same browns from the FRIENDCATION palette, just to connect everything together. For the blush, I used the SAHARAN Blush Vol. II palette from Juvias Place. I love it. And for highlighter, I can't put this down. It's the Anastasia AMREZY palette. The AMREZY highlighter. I love it. It's definitely one of my favorites. Can't speak again. It's one of my favorite highlights since the Nicole Guerriero palette. I still have it, and I only have one left, and that was a limited edition palette. I try not to use it. I only bring it out for special occasions. But yeah, this one is definitely one of my favorite highlights in the whole world. And finally for lips, I am using the LA Girl lip liner in Keep It Spicy. I love this lip liner. It's so affordable and it's so creamy. This color, the shade, is the perfect nude for me. And for lip gloss, I got this for Christmas. This is not new. I know that it's been on the market forever, but I got this for Christmas from my boyfriend, and I have not been able to put this down. It's the Too Faced Sweet Peach Lip Gloss. Oh, it smells like peaches, and it's so pigmented. I love it. It's like a peach is on your lips. And lastly, make sure you spray your face with some type of facial spray. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.